Yeah, hello guys, once again welcome to my YouTube channels. Today I want to show you how to comment on your Facebook page as yourself on mobile. So the first thing you need to do now is you need to open your Chrome browser or whatever browser you're using to access Facebook. So let's open it. After opening, then let's log in. Yeah, log into Facebook account. So here, let me type my password and log in. Yeah, as you can see, we are at the mobile home page of the Facebook account. So now what we need to do is now we need to look for the post page we want to comment on. So let's click it. As you can see from here, the first name is my profile name and the second one written Amuzap Town is my Facebook page name. So let's click the Facebook page name. Now we are looking for the post page we want to comment on. Facebook post page we want to comment on. So let's try to look for it, which one we want to comment on. So let's try to choose which one we want to comment on. Well, it's almost. So let's try to comment on this post page. Yeah, now the next thing is you need to click the comment section so that it takes you to the comment box. So let's click it. As you can see here, we have the comment box already. So from here, you'll see your profile picture of your page at the bottom right corner of the post page. So now the next thing is you're going to click that profile picture of the page. So after clicking, then your profile names will appear. Then from there you need to click that name of yours. After clicking it, even you will see at the right bottom, then the profile picture will change to your account profile picture. So from here now you can comment. As you can see, the page is called Amos Uptown, and I will try to comment now. Hello, post the comment. Yeah, as you can see now, the comment is in a different name called Hamid, and my post page name is Amos Uptown. As you can see, guys, this is how they can do it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channels for such kind of video.